I'm back for another video, and this is an unboxing, and you can see it is from Foxy Fix, and it has a little bit to do with these shades of color here. So you can see I have my first spice that I ever got, which is in the Spice Time in the Passport, or the #1 size. And I've had a couple of spices since. I've had a juniper, and I've had a couple of blacks, and I've had a cinnamon and another brown color. Can't remember what it was. But here is my #4. But this right here was my very first Foxy Fix. It was before they were called Foxy Fix. They were Kelly Strong Designs. And it was just a single piece of leather with a single elastic. And I got a couple of different old-timey kind of Foxy Fix stuff in. Okay, we're back. So this was my original. It was called a chartreuse, and I've always liked these greeny, yellowy, greeny. This was a hand-dyed one. These are dyed at the Leather Tandy factory. So let's just kind of dive in and see what we've got. Now, I forgot to, there we go. We've cut the tape on the box. Let's see. So we've got 2 of their business cards. I'll hold this close, try to get rid of the glare, so you can get all the information, but I will link their webpage below. And, ooh, this is French lavender. This is a little bit lighter, I think, than the other. It's very, very pretty color. So we'll set that there. And here is what we've got. We'll kind of set that aside. So this is a size that I actually don't have anything from Foxy Fix in this size, or have had. I might have had one. No, I got it as a gift for someone. So let's pop it out of the bag, and you'll see it is the same beautiful. Let me give it a lot. It always comes with an extra elastic for a jump band or an elastic to put in multiple inserts on one elastic. But you'll see it is the same beautiful leather, the same beautiful time, but this is in the, this is the #1 size, this is the #2. It's just a smidge taller, the field noter pocket from the Passport. So let's see. I have a few items here in my Chic Sparrow fern. One reason why I love this fern is it is hardy and it will take a beating. But let's take all the stuff I have in here. I think that's every writing board. And I've got some greens, washi tapes, and it's my one of my Turnpike receipts from the planner meetup I went to the other day. So I've got a lot of stuff here. So let's see what all we can fit in here. So the first thing I had in mind was my monthly calendar. I've already got a couple of bills paid for next month already, so that's kind of nice to get ahead. So here's the monthly calendar, which I'm also using as a bill tracker. Then this is a field notes in the 2 Rivers, I think. Is that what that was called? And I love it because it's these greens and browns on like craft. But this is what I've been using to track my no spend, low spend. The month of May was an interesting month. So we'll put that there. This right here is an insert that I made, which has some journaling. It has some art in it that I've done. Some journaling, some art, watercolor samples. I mean, who doesn't love a good watercolor sample? Some of my butterflies. I haven't figured out what to do. This is onion paper. And I tried drawing on it. But I've got to figure out what to do with it. I might just do like washes of color and then do some writing. I don't know. Here's a butterfly. And I actually have a photo of this that I'm going to place here when I finish this. I've had a lot of concerts lately. I think I might scan these little guys and make myself some stickers or something. I don't know. And then I gotta color this and maybe try to do something there. So we're gonna put this insert. Yeah, I've had, like last week I had a Hanson concert, and then I had, oh, what else did we have? Hanson, oh, the oratorio chorus concert, and I've got youth symphony auditions today that I'm judging. Tomorrow is the Rocktopia concert. This might not fit in here. Oh, it does. There we go. We got a writing board. We've got some washi tape. And let's see. Here is my insert that I've done nothing with from Brie other than I did use some of her mixed media paper to get some wonderful color samples of some inks from my friend Danny. Will this fit in here? It might. Let's see. I don't want to damage the insert. Hey, look at that. It does fit. And then I have here a zipper pouch from Keely Reichman that can hold cards, like here. I think there's one with some washi, and then I can put, you know, the Foxy cards in there. It has a folder where you can put receipts or little pieces of paper. And in the zipper pouch, I've got some of my no-spend charts and some, or trackers and some tabs. And I think that's where I'm going to put the extra elastic for this notebook. Slip that in there. And look at that. There's my cute little pocket. Doesn't she look great? And here, let me give you a look at it. Now see, this is just the standard pocket. This isn't the wide. The wide has, this has 4 elastics. Let's see, the easiest way for you to see. See, there's 3 holes, so there's 4 elastics in there. So I've got something on each elastic, plus I have a thick insert right here in the back of the book. So you can fit so much stuff. Plus, it has this wonderful pocket back here. So if you don't want to use a card insert like this, you can put, if you're using it as a wallet, you can put cash or anything in there. Plus, it also has, it has the 2 pockets here, the secretarially crisscross pockets. Plus, it has the card pocket here, and it's the same thing in the back. 1 criss, 2 cross, and the pocket for like an ID or whatever. And it's the same design, or at least I have the same design in all of them. Crisscross pocket, crisscross pocket. I sometimes put a writing board in there just to give it a little bit more structure because the spice is quite a thin leather, if you look at that. Just gives it a little structure, but it's not necessary because this one, like, I have a writing board and some washi samplers in the back, but in the front here I've just got some stickers. But I tend to choose the same layout. I like the crisscross with the card pocket because if I'm using this or this, I can just throw a few things in there and I'm good to go as a wallet. So you can see there is slight variation. This one I got, oh my gosh, a year and a half ago. This one I got in February, March, and then this one in May. And they are one of my favorite leathers, and I really like the design. It's a very kind of unique design. No one was doing this before Foxy, so that's pretty cool, I think. So there you go. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will link Foxy Fix so you can find out more about this color leather, the French lavender, which will be going up soon, I think. I saw it on Instagram. And I have a code down there where you can get 10% off your first order if you've never purchased anything from Foxy Fix. So there you go. If you have any questions, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I had to get something. Okay. Oh, you might get bumped because of the little baby Seamus. Let me pause for 1 minute. Hey, what are you doing? Whoop, there you go. Okay, we're back. He was around the cord and around the bottom of the tripod. So I didn't want him to be shaking you. And the color was called Chartreuse. And let me move Seamus because he's bumping you again. Move. 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 Take your toy and go over there. Go get it.